Welcome! If you're tired of seeing those little notification badges popping up on your Snapchat app icon, especially from trending lenses, you're not alone. Those constant updates can get distracting pretty quickly. The good news is, you can easily turn them off in just a few simple steps, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. First, grab your phone and open up your settings. This is where all your device controls live. So, once you're there, scroll down until you find the Apps section and tap on it. Now you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Look for Snapchat and tap on it to open its settings. Inside the Snapchat app settings, go ahead and tap on Notifications. This is where you can customize exactly what kind of alerts Snapchat is allowed to send you. Next, tap on Notification Categories. This section lets you control specific types of notifications instead of turning everything on or off at once. Scroll through the list until you find Trending Lenses. Once you see it, tap on it to open its settings. Here's the key step. Look for the option labeled App Icon Badges. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply turn that toggle off. And that's it, you've successfully disabled the App Icon Badge notifications for Snapchat Trending Lenses. You'll still be able to use Snapchat as usual, but without those extra badge alerts cluttering your screen. This is a great way to keep your phone looking clean and reduce unnecessary distractions while still staying connected on your own terms. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tips like this to keep your apps working exactly the way you want them to.